In this video demonstration here, we're going to show you a folding scooter by Robooter called the E40. This is a manual folding scooter, so stay tuned. In this video demonstration here, we're going to show you the E40 by Robooter. This is a manual folding power chair with a 330-pound weight capacity. So this unit's going to go about 5 miles an hour on about a 14-mile range, but it does have a 330-pound weight capacity. Now, do remember that weight capacity in that range, that's going to change. So if you are up to 330 pounds, you might not get a true 14 miles. You might be closer to that 10 to 12-mile range. But this is a great unit that's not overly heavy at about 47.5 pounds without the battery. Now, this is not an airline approved unit due to it being a 20 amp hour battery, which is going to convert to somewhere about 480 kilowatt hours. So it's not going to be an airline approved battery, but it's going to be more or less, hey, I need to go to the stores, I need to go shopping, I need to get around from A to B. This is going to be a really nice unit here. This unit does come in a couple different colors. What we have here is green. I do like they have this leather imitation on the arms. It makes it look really sleek. You are going to have solid tires all the way around, 8-inch in the front and 10-inch in the rear. It does actually come with this unit actually built in with a backpack in the back that I will show you in a minute. Over here you actually have a touch flashlight. So if you touch the bottom of this unit over here, the flashlight will appear. So it's just touch. Now on the top you actually have USB ports over here as well. Now you are able to change the joystick from the right to the left hand side if needed, but it is going to come to you standard with the joystick on the right hand side over here. The seat on this unit they say is 18 inches. I'm going to put a tape measure on it. I'm measuring closer to 17 inches in overall width of the seat. In between the armrests you have 19 inches, and the depth of the seat you're at about 17 inches as well. Seat does sit on Velcro, so you are able to take this off and put any type of cushion that you might want on the bottom for your desired comfort. But really what this is going to be a portable unit, so I'm going to get right to it and show you how this unit is going to fold. So what you're going to do with this unit is you have two tabs right here on either side. You have to push those tabs in and then start folding the unit forward. Now this unit is going to fold. It's going to fold down kind of like a stroller, and now you're in that locked up position. I believe you can stand it up like this to load it inside your vehicle. Now while it's compressed like this, I'm going to give you what the measurements are, because a lot of people need to know, is that going to fit in the trunk of my car? Is that going to fit in the back of my SUV? Width-wise, the widest point is going to be your armrest at 24 inches. Depth over it this way is going to be 22 inches, and the overall height of this unit is going to be about 28 inches when it's standing up like this. So do remember those measurements. It is going to come with a pamphlet right here. It's going to show you everything inside this owner's manual. It's very nice. It has colored manual. It's going to show you everything that I'm talking about here and more. So do look at your owner's manual if you do end up purchasing this unit here. To unfold this unit, I'm going to turn it around so that you can see it better in the video. So to unfold it, you're going to push this bar down, and then you're going to lift up on the seat and give it one good snug shove like that, and the unit is going to unfold. You can see in the back, you do have your battery back here located in the rear. There is actually two clamps on the side. If you're able to twist these two tabs and unlock these clamps, your battery does just pull right out towards you. You do actually have a charging port on the back of this battery as well, and your serial number and your QR code right here to register it are all inside here underneath the battery pack. Put your battery pack back in. It only goes in one way. It slides in. Snap your tabs back in, and then twist your knobs, and that's going to keep it secure, locked in place. If you need to put this unit in freewheel mode for any reason to push it around, you're going to go ahead and you're going to disengage the motors right here by pushing those levers down, and now it's going to be in freewheel. You do want to make sure you're always going to engage your motors when you're going to drive it, because what that's doing is that's actually engaging your electromagnetic brakes. The unit will not drive when you are in a freewheel mode. You do have anti-tip wheels here as well, so if you're climbing a steep object, you're not going to tip over backwards. All right. So go ahead and turn this unit on. You're going to have to press and hold the on button here located in the middle top for about 3 seconds. You're going to see these animated symbols that come up. Now the unit does come automatically in a locked mode, so you are going to have to tap the on button again to unlock to actually be able to navigate the chair. You do have a horn on this unit, and you do have up and down in speeds. You have 5 variable speeds on here as well. Now this unit can be controlled through an app. So if you do scan that barcode or look in your owner's manual, you are able to drive this unit and get your speeds and get your battery gauge and everything else and turn the unit on and off from the app. So do look in the manual or do scan the QR code that's actually located behind the battery on the unit to navigate the app. Back here in the back, it comes standard with a backpack on this unit as well. You can put your charger back there. It's got actually plenty good amount of space. It's got individual pockets. It's a nice hard shell backpack over here as well in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this unit around. Like I said, this unit does go up to 5 miles an hour top end speed. The footplate does flip up for easy access to get in and out of the unit. It does come with a tool kit that's located here up underneath the unit in your storage bag. So go ahead, I'm going to go ahead and drive this outside, so follow me out there. This is the E40 by Robooter. This is a 330-pound weight capacity folding power chair. Now do remember, I am 220 pounds at 6 foot tall, so you can kind of get a perspective of what I'm going to look like in this unit. It is very comfortable. I did actually mention earlier in the video that there was solid tires all the way around. I was wrong. It's a very comfortable ride. It has air tires in the back. Air tires are going to get you a softer ride, but they are solid tires in the front, 10-inch air tires in the back. So if you're looking for a unit that is going to have a 5 mile an hour top end speed, a decent climbing angle, and a 330-pound weight capacity, I would go ahead and take a look at the E40 by Robooter.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.